So welcome back. The next part is about accommodating students with disabilities. And if you're watching this video clip and you're in a special school, you might have heard of the term the Universal Design for Learning. Now, this term Universal Design for Learning was coined in 2010, and this way of treating the curriculum was to ensure that all students could learn. And here are the essential elements: multiple means of representation, print medium, braille, video, audio, ICT, concrete materials, diagrams, simulations. Secondly, multiple means of engagement: looking, listening, hands-on, participating, discussing, individual, group, independent, collaborative, interacting, peer tutoring. And 3, multiple means of expression: oral, written, demonstration, creation, illustration, performance. It was also suggested that digital formats and e-learning tend to be flexible enough to incorporate many of these features that can adapt to individual differences among learners. Digital technologies can build in many variations in modes of representation, engagement and response, thus relieving the teacher of a massive burden of designing these alternative pathways in advance for a lesson. Universal design lessons obviously has much in common with differentiated instruction in the sense that barriers to learning are reduced by offering multiple pathways to achievement. I think that if you are interested in the Universal Design for Learning, then I would suggest that you have a look at the internet, and there are some resources that you can access for that. Those resources, you can see that there is a page for further reading on page 169 and 170 of your textbook. Can I say that probably the most prolific writer on differentiation is Carol Tomlinson. Any of the articles that you read about from her work are excellent, and they have good teaching strategies and ways of helping all students to learn. But my suggestion is this: when you want to find out how a child learns, sit with them, ask them questions, get them to demonstrate what they can learn. What we want our students to do is have an attitude of they can learn. We don't want an attitude of they won't learn. So as many times as possible, we should be using the gifts that God has given them, their interests, their abilities, so they can produce the learning that is so necessary for them.